Watson, elusive and in for the touchdown.
For the Texans this year, you guys have a lot of promise. I mean, you have a good young quarterback in Deshaun Watson. What do you see with him in terms of leading this team to probably get to the playoffs and who knows how far?
Yeah, Deshaun obviously is a tremendous talent, a great young kid with tremendous work ethic, and is in there every day busting his tail. I think the sky's the limit for Deshaun. I wish I could give you a better answer, but again, I don't know too much about the quarterback position. But I think what Deshaun displayed last year, the chemistry that him and our offensive guys had, and how him and OB just gelled. I think the sky's the limit for this offense, and we'll get some key contributors on the defensive side, and our special teams unit is just going to work to get better. And I think we have the potential to be really good, but we need to make sure that we're in the stadium every day, grinding and working towards that.
Yeah, you guys certainly do have that potential.